बिकॉज मैं तो हमेशा कहता हूँ, लोग पीपल डोंट लाइक मी फॉर दैट कि वी आर अ तमाशबीन नेशन, वी लाइक टू क्लैप, यू नो, कि कोई अच्छा काम करे हम ताली जरूर बजाएंगे लेकिन वो काम खुद नहीं करेंगे। आप लोगों से तारीफें सुन लें काराकोरम हाईवे की, they'll give you half an hour lecture on Karakoram highway, and if you ask them have you been, they'll say no, because this is what we've become. So tourism starts at home, okay? And then a lot of times they ask me, can we start at home? And I said yes, but our house is not in order. Okay, we are quite messed up in terms of tourism because our tourism is totally asset based. Okay, and that's fine. It has to be asset based. KG Saiful Malook is very pretty. K2 is 8,611 meters high. Assets are fine, but behind the assets there's a whole back end office working, and which for us is not working. Okay, जब तक वो बैक एंड सर्विसेज आप प्रोवाइड नहीं करोगे, it doesn't matter how beautiful Saiful Malook is. Okay, when you leave the house, there are 100 points in the checklist before you get to Saiful Malook. Right? What if somebody falls sick close to Balakot? Is there a hospital? Okay, what if your grandmother is going with you and she has breathing problems? What do? All these are a part of tourism. You know, Disneyland's focus positioning is what? It's not entertainment. You know what it is? It's safety. Because Disney World they realize that when parents bring kids, what's the most important thing to parents as far as their kids is concerned? Is safety. So Disney World pushes safety as their primary selling point, not how high Magic Mountain is and Pirates of the Caribbean में कितना मजा आता है and Star Wars की ride लेने में कितना मजा आता है. All they sell is safety. So we need to get the back end sorted. Our assets, there's no problem with it. The Almighty has given us a beautiful country. We just need to make sure that we manage it well.
So there is a massive gap between the asset and the experience.
Huge.
और आपकी वो जो बात थी लोकल स्पेंडर से, वो मुझे पंजाबी कहावत याद आ गई कि जेब में चाहे 4 आने और पुत्र खर्चा 1 रुपए का ही करना चाहिए.
Exactly. For देखो, you go anywhere. आज आप मरी चले जाओ, आप आज हुंसा चले जाओ, you will find foreigners there, you know. But if you look at the Pakistanis there, the big difference is that the foreigners will be looking at the mountains and the Pakistanis will be looking at food. Right? Their primary focus is where will we have lunch, okay? Which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not being judgmental here, but I'm just saying that wo jo tourism ki spirit hai na, that is to discover, to explore, to go where no man has gone before. That is lacking.